Anyway, yes, time don't reach for across the bridge between the Money Runs host, Wado Bobby MC Arambi, and
the Becca Bleeds.
then alongside the workshop crew when they took over the shift from now I go reach 4 p.m. That's a Sapiti one of Nigeria FM, Lady J.
Wait, you don't remember her name?
No, I expect her to say Lady J. Then she call it do one like Starboy. You don't blow. Then we have.
Now only person will blow. Now they fit do peace.
Yes, now highlight your boy.
See, guy.
Okay, not be lie. You never really blow. Not be lie.
What be lie?
No, I said not be lie. You never really blow.
What you know? Say I won't talk.
No, now you just say you just say whether now only person when you don't blow, whether now they do. Now I say okay, I don't remember. I say truly, you never really blow. You get. So we get the one and only first voice of Nigeria FM, Godwin.
I mean.
You the same. You go vibe.
Nah, sound I see for your own.
Soros okay. Now you want make I do
So
Soros okay.
no, we need to Soros okay because the way they move for this
You
country.
don't too much, my brother.
I don't take this before. We be two different individuals. So no expect me to do what Godwin they do. I be me.
No, I don't say me you do it. I just say just
you
do.
say you know.
Which one be say you say peace up? We they do peace. Never
Waiting
talk.
they wrong with peace. Waiting they wrong with them. No be peace we want.
But that
We
the
get
DJ peace, the DJ peace be like no come near here.
No come near here. No come here. Not get money.
You see?
Now the way you do your heart, no come near here. No come
Positive
near.
now. I don't carry negative narrative. Enter.
No, I don't
No,
say the
nah,
way
we
you
just
do and be
dey
like
talk.
no come near here. If you do peace, say peace out, man. But you say
Yeah,
no come near
Call
here.
a waiver.
Tó bá lọ
Now
wá.
today I dey do the
Tó
peace.
bá lọ wá
Today
lásán.
una go see.
Ìmúṣí tún tó bá lọ wá
But Lady J,
lásán.
welcome, Lady J. Godwin, welcome. You
Thank
know, I
you.
would really like make we start with the waiting there for the country. But I think more he only did proper say we start from there. Godwin, I never know where to start. So generally, where would they go as a country first of all?
Nigeria don't go Europe, you don't know. This one would not be in Nigeria who we know. We need to find our
Now
country
Libya
back.
road we use.
I see one tweet, somebody
I
tweet.
like that.
Now foreign person tweet, he say there is a country in West Africa where the people don't know that their president is a fake president.
Hey.
But he say they don't know that their president is a fake president, but they are just moving along.
Yeah.
But we know the truth.
No, he said 90% of the. I think he gave
So-
number.
so-
90% of the citizens
Well, why
don't
you
know say
shout
they are
like
president because I don't see am.
No,
So we
that.
just shout like
When
that.
I say I can't go back with past statement when some certain people don't talk about, you know, and how far
I mean-
you get.
Now tweets that tweet when
Nah,
somebody
just
tweet.
tweet,
So
nah.
you know me say
Nah, true.
you know believe say I believe I all
But
are
he said
true.
West Africa,
But
Nigeria not be only the West Africa country.
Of course not.
exactly, but it gets some other things where they tweet we go point saying the country near Nigeria, even though be Nigeria. You understand? But another thing we go also
But it
look
dey
for that.
worrisome.
When you go look for that thing, we say with wetin they go on for the country and the body language of the person where they at the top, you go come dey ask yourself, say a country where be say if the person na the real person. The real
If
person,
for
wey the
really
real person wey
dey-
we know before now,
Yeah.
no go dey behave like this. So maybe not be the real person. I make
or
another
maybe not the real
sense.
person, it don't change. Or maybe not the real person, he don't get the same vibe when he get before.
And but something they wrong somewhere. Sha. And then
Something.
one thing we need to really talk about well for this country now the truth say everything they start and they fall on top leadership, and so far something needs to change at that top. You know, see what thing Festus Keyamo they tweet plenty tweets some days ago. Say anybody when they are satisfied with the government, the legal way to come out now to vote for another person for 2023. Any other means, if they want it. The only other means to feel change the top, they no go fit do am because na impeachment. And some people for that National Assembly,
No,
they be
they're not
yes
go-
member, they
no,
no fit
they're
gree.
not- they're
So
not go try.
we dey between the devil and the blue sea like they talk.
But which change go really happen if we want to talk about impeachment between now and
It no go even happen,
It
sef.
not fit even happen.
It no go
you
fit
get.
happen,
It not
so-
happen since now it won't happen. So that one they out of the whole equation. Anyway, most start first of all. I don't know if you come across the report about half. Me and Becca talked about time earlier on top how federal government don't plan to. You know, now during the weekend, the report come outside, how they don't plan to share reflective jacket to 40 million school children for the country Nigeria. According to the report, they say this one concern accident prevention. They say federal government to equip 40 million children with reflective jacket. So the federal government here say go distribute reflective jacket to 40 million school children across the country as part of their effort to take prevent accident for we road. This one can they disclose for the launch of the accident prevention initiative when they organized by the Ministry of Education and tag go to school, be seen, be safe. Speak now the motto, now the tagging that here. Speaking for the program, which what happened for Abuja on Thursday, that was last week. Chukwuemeka Unjuaba, Minister of State for Education, said the initiative now part of effort to take protect children of with different school for our country Nigeria. He said this initiative especially is to prevent children from sustaining injuries while trekking to and from neighborhood school. That means not be children where they get money to carry them for money.
Poor man children.
Poor man children they focus on. And they know say the percentage they very high. Now why they say 40 million school children. So you can see here say it is in light of that that they think about the good health and well-being of these school children. Now why that they focus to create this reflective jacket for them so that they fit get opportunity to take realize quality education because person when you get injury no fit go school.
Okay, so
if you get the jacket right now you know you
so
get
how they go
injury.
take they wear the jacket on top their uniform?
On top their uniform because pictures don't they when they circulate they do some prototype display.
So if all the children come they wear reflective jacket on top their uniform, I want to know who they with school.
You dey worry they buy that one sef?
No, that one is one of the questions. Because if everybody come they use reflective jacket cover their uniform. The reason why one school uniform are blue, the other one are red, the other one are yellow.
Now to know which school this
who
one.
they with school. So, but if everybody come they wear the same reflective jacket, I want to know identify which pikin come from which school. Number
That
one.
one
Number
I
two.
even
Maybe then go put badge on top.
On top the jacket.
In school badge on top the jacket.
Yes, possible.
They go
fit
put
do
school
am
badge
like
on top the
that. They fit
jacket.
do am like that.
R&B come ask me at a point say shey the school the children now na night school they go abi.
First of all,
Which
what you understand by reflective
Reflective
jacket?
jacket.
Because reflective jacket na for night. Na to make somebody where they come for night feel notice say you dey
So
there.
na night we dey go school.
You know, so I
But
call
like I say now because say, you know say rain dey fall so sometimes everywhere dey dark.
like around 7 o'clock this morning now everywhere dark very very well.
pikin
The
wey dey
weather
trek.
No dark
the weather.
like that, like
no,
night.
Lady J, e dark
It
oh.
dark. So
na for you
know
no
say
dark.
our federal government they think far.
Far,
So
yeah,
Minister
exactly.
of State Education they think far. You don't say now rainy season we did right now. Which best way to take protect all these our poor countrymen and women children? 40 million
40 million reflective jacket.
jacket that they want give.
They don't think about
you ask
correct
me.
road. They don't think about good schools. They don't think
For-
about
For
getting
children where they
buses for these school children.
for children where they go school during the
they
day.
don't think about
Now
all
make
those
them-
ones.
now make them one help them
even,
trek
know.
well.
even
I know.
Jesus, Jesus talks say man no go build house without a plan.
Now
He
the
goes-
plan.
No, I know they go somewhere. That na say if you want build bungalow, you go decide the foundation go determine which kind of house you want build. What they try talk say they won't buy reflective jackets. Then think about they don't think about the when this reflective jacket they in use more because now at night they use them. They think of the daytime. So at the end of the day, now see another avenue to shop money because then go talk reflective jacket.
know-
Everybody here now before you know it happen, you don't end. You don't quiet.
I don't cross check this particular report for different platforms as news platform. You know what they miss out of Godwin guess the money when they budget.
But
to
they
take
never
do
even let us
they
know
not
the
talk
money.
about am.
Maybe
They no reveal-
maybe you get one person
They
wey
no reveal am,
no maybe you get one person or
Wey wan fund am.
organization wey be say out of the benevolence of their heart.
For
They
and
just
Minister
want
of Education
they just want
involved.
share for children. So it means I'm through the ministry. The ministry go get account of all the schools records. So maybe
How
they get
much
some
for a
people-
reflective jacket?
Maybe they don't produce excess for China. They just want dash people.
So they go that 40
So-
million
So
children.
But the only two way makes-
it don't become PP COVID-19 PP now.
Now the only two way make sense be that now. Say they
So you
say they get them for free.
They don't have budget money to take produce jacket. Then they try talk now.
No,
before.
would they try to help them think like say they dash them because I don't believe any normal right thinking person go
You go
budget
produce
money.
money.
for
I just
jacket.
think, see, if you want launder money, launder through the right
No,
way.
they use jacket.
use
eh?
corner,
They
corner.
use reflective.
Maybe I talk about it. Another
You
avenue.
understand?
If you want cash out, cash out.
No,
I
if
don't
they-
understand.
Say
No.
another avenue to
No,
shop
they're not one- no,
money. Another avenue.
you
now.
know how somebody if you want that somebody fit tell you say maybe for China now the way we be like this now
Yeah.
we get excess so we want dash Nigeria. Even if not like that, you go see, if you want to chop money, you go see say okay, now go see okay, we go put our pay on our transport come collect and the budget to transport her here fit still be part of where they go take hammer. But it don't make any sense to any,
So I want just
on any
ask right
ground.
now. I dey try to think if for the past I don't hear any other country, even those in African country, don't think about this particular initiative to do jacket for
Nigeria,
their school
think about
children.
it is special.
I don't go think
So it
about
shows
like,
you
it don't make sense.
This
now.
is special. And I don't talk on before we come on here. Say that zebra crossing normally where they even put for road. Now
People
advert
don't know, so-
for sweet. They don't even know say
So
na
the
zebra
reflective
cross.
jacket,
So
the
reflective
reflective jacket
jacket.
go help
Not even now.
Now, person when they drive, they shout or person when they grip back and say, come up on the road, idiot, you won't die.
So this is really jacket. I want to content there.
Hey, God.
I don't know the person eye where the jacket won't reflect during the day. Because the jacket during the day, it don't reflect anything. You understand?
Maybe another thing. Maybe assuming the kidnappers say those students of Greenwich and those other schools, they
We
wear
are
that
jacket.
reflective.
Maybe
They
they
know
for
they
not
kidnap
kidnap
them. They don't
them.
go kidnap them. You understand? I think
maybe.
maybe they think.
Becca,
If
they
we are
think
all
like the
thinking,
federal government.
If we are all
So-
thinking,
so-
maybe
the
it's-
light, the light from
No.
the
you
reflective
understand? You go
jacket.
blinding the
It go-
kidnappers.
It go
No,
like
Lady
that.
J,
Or it go shine.
the reflective jacket na kidnap repellent.
Yeah, exactly.
It dey kidnap repellent. It be like when you get mosquito repeller.
Yes.
Na kidnap repellent jacket.
Say,
go
God, we
repel
as
the
much as all of us
kidnappers.
they joke about this thing. It just
Dey sad
it is sad to hear say wetin you dey worry about as a ministry of education for this country now to the sew jacket for 40 million. You know, even talk say okay, what about school
Buses,
books? What about
yeah.
buses? That for you to even talk say you want make sure say them when they trek. Normal pikin
you know
suppose
say
trek go school.
No child deserve to trek go school.
No.
No.
For country like us, and all of us know say most time when you dey able to trek, not be say the school near your house.
No.
Na long journey. So you know we talk say okay, more just do one buses if na one community. Give okay, this bus go dey pass through this road.
Yeah.
This na where you go drop. Why
Yes,
you not think go that area?
if you know the number of schools where they particular
Because that go make
community,
them dey safe.
you know the major road. Every picky where they go, every government
Oh,
school
yeah.
in this area. Una go dey pass.
go dey
If once you
pass
see
there
this
at this
particular
particular
bus,
time,
the bus go
enter
get
free of charge.
you go get a particular color and particular logo.
Yeah.
Once you enter free of charge, check you drop at your different bus
Bus
stop where
stops.
you lead to your school and
Okay,
everything.
okay,
And then the same thing pass through, go back when they don't close. Now no kind thing that's supposed to.
Maybe if they dey inside the bus, keke napep fit still jam the bus, so they'll still get injury.
Wait. You don't forget say they don't ban this keke napep for
No,
some
not
roads.
be
sef.
everywhere. I only try reason.
So
Maybe
let
now
me-
only the best way to protect these children are to sew reflective jacket for them because both
To
keke
protect them from
bad
Okada
driver
and keke
go see them.
napep.
As they want jam them, the reflective jacket will just jam them back. They not go get
You know,
injury
say
again.
most time our leaders they feel like say Nigerians know they think. So anything where they just bring up, tell us they believe
collect
so we
it.
go just take them
Yeah.
because these people they think they go accept them like that. You understand? So more we say Google be like say we know they think.
More your
One
leave.
thing I just want
good one.
everybody share. I get 3 children and they wait for my own 3.
Where are you? How many they wait for?
When they bring my own 3 reflective jacket of my children,
You need to ask yourself. Then why should I reach private school? I've been only government school.
my children no be children. if government school good, they go private school. I know 1 year say na only private government school children. Oh. My children are citizens. They owe me 3 reflective jackets.
I bet they owe me 2. That's 2.
They get so and I want 3.
Our godchildren, how many we
They
get?
I
go
don't
give-
talk say you the one in the womb. They
Yeah.
owe
Yeah,
us.
nah.
The women never born. They owe
The
us.
3 what I want,
How many
I
are
want
born? 3.
3 children size,
13 I want.
children small, children medium, children large. In case they wait for the size.
I never leave the government matter. So you get what me and Becca come across during the weekend. So we laugh over her, you know. It concern. I think somebody post something about what's teach or your experience. Like so, some people can share
Their experience.
their experience. So few experience
Like
really
10
make-
or 11 of them. I see the
I
whole
saw
thing.
that
That can
one.
to me.
You come across her.
Eh.
So
Oh,
we'll
yeah,
just
nah.
check some few right now.
Okay, so one guy Okoro, he saying they do chichoyo for your apartment. Immediately NEPA bring light. The girl
Tap
scream,
up NEPA.
Up NEPA. She swerved to the other side, reach out for her bag, bring out her big
Charger.
extension box. She plug her phone, lamp, power bank, and laptop. She can't come back. Oh yeah,
Where we stop?
And another one, you see they here. This lady, he say he meets this guy when the guy there for in late 20s, and the guy na still virgin Atletico. Say the guy come dey tell am how much he wan do chicho yan. Say he go love to do am. Say So although they don't preach against premarital chichonyo, you know, in the church and all that. So when they come get to the main arrangement,
Cocoa of the day.
say it took a while for the guy to even locate where he want put in joystick.
But you go sorry for
Last, because of the first
Say-
time.
no, but that happened to me.
the apple,
My
the
first time.
apple.
It happened to me. But it happened to you. My first
No,
time.
because we don't watch film well before we will start.
No,
so we
my
just
first
know.
time. My first time. Now share me find the road. Her name start with P. For those where they for our former area, they go know her name. Now hear me find her more.
You get what I
He
say?
never finish
When
o
whole le-
because say as they you know enter the arena come say shock me daddy say na so the guy hold am for neck for him
Almost kill am.
windpipe say she dey struggle to breathe say her eyes don red say e come be like say she wan take her last breath so when she don finish the guy come ask am how far you come abi you go
You know the joy.
It get one where I see when it talk say I dey try look for her head now so the life be not dey. So as they did the process of you know, the next thing the guy just go home naked.
Why? It is shock her.
The guy think say he dey do well until if I say na electric dey shock me. But God will make I wetin be your worst teacher experience. Your worst teacher before you settle
married
down.
men in the house men na talk first
what
because
teacher
una
you-
dey legal
Godwin.
to teach
Okay,
on
I think my own are more like I know. Okay, now experience. Now this babe, that time I dey teach, so you just get this babe, I can't just dey run things with. But because I know if you can go house because my babe that time they close to my house, so if I up close, it go wait for me for junction. So we'll come waka enter bush.
and I no go born bush baby like this.
I say normally if na some my friends say dey fear say why girl go dey direct you enter
Enter bush.
Bush.
I no be first time second time like na bush more 5-6 occasion
How is it convenient for bush?
na the inconvenience na dey make you even take because that you dey look up and down I don't even know part when I dey get go there go arrange banana plantain that long go arrange am down already cause I dey always meet am for there the next time I lie down work so me now I dey always observe gbogbo now they always go bad reason say wait you no even fear say this person dey use you for something
You yourself no fear.
like me na
No,
me na
no,
me dey
because
carry
they
go.
with this thing wey be side there wey be say we get be say they dey always do meeting for inside banana tree.
But no, at that time, you know, say at that time, me understand say she dey her papa and mama.
Yeah.
Me no fit carry go my
Yeah,
house because my babe go notice things you get.
okay.
So I think that the worst experience for not be one, not be two, not be three, not be four, not be five.
Oh,
Imagine
bush.
say na that kind girl.
You go
man,
dey
na
content
bush
with
baby
everything
go
plus
born.
sand fly
Can you
plus.
imagine?
That worst be that. That be that.
My own in those days when I dey school, when I come back, you get one babe in my area. I am very pretty, tall. She get front, she get back. So we done the plan. Say the next time I come out from school. So one of those times we come out from school, we can't go out, you know. But then we can't say we'll go. The worst, the shock what I get like be say, in body strong past man own. When I say, no, you're not gonna understand when I say strong. You see in
Muscular.
two front, eh?
You know the shake.
You know he's strong.
I know.
The back strong. As in, when I touch her, they like, nah man at the church. As in, so the whole thing off me. So you go call her like, what happened now? You're not. I said, no. I just remember that my grandmom died
So
recently.
even you as a man, your body soft pass your own.
Yes,
No, some people dey like that.
he
Some
too
people dey
strong.
like that.
I'm not
But
fit do
you
anything
still
that day.
manage, you know. Okay.
When they come to begin they complain, what is happening? What's wrong? Is it that you don't like me? I say, no, you're pretty. For like, hey, I don't die. We can just survive today. I don't go near here again. I get to concentrate, try and manage, make her feel
Because your emotion go down.
and then I come to say, did you enjoy it? I say yes. He say, are you sure? I say yes. When I leave her that day, I don't even put any message, anything. I know day.
You know
I
the
run.
reply.
I can't begin to do sense of the. I beg, get body they strong like this.
They did like
He's
that.
strong past guy
Na
when they.
athlete. She
No,
dey
they're not
run
bad,
oo.
they're
No, be
Their
athlete.
body built
In body
just
too,
like that.
in body too strong. he strong die. As in, even guys why they shake their hand. And the man meet guy way in hand.
Yeah, strong like
like
that.
a hand. Way everything strong.
So
I
how you
know
can't
normally
control
want.
your emotion through.
I can't fear at that point and say, I appear very strong like this. If you go vex for me. So I get to just allow myself, make I
Just the.
I run after that. Then I don't know if you forget that experience.
No, that one did someone.
I try remember.
They try. No, you will get plenty now.
What do you mean? Say I go get plenty.
Now, Lady
That
J will
is-
not say not get any single one. We don't say it doesn't.
Lady, okay, since you don't get physical one, you get the one for dream.
Dream.
Yes, now. It
don't get
happen
any
now.
worse
But you
one.
never
Nah,
dream-
to each house man. How bad?
Oh yeah, what I buy for your imagination.
Abeg.
For imagination.
Oh, my
okay.
Hold on. God, you see that tweet about dream Chichoyo?
I see
One
that
tweet.
guy. Yeah.
He said, man, he said, dream Chichoyo say it can make sense.
Say the last girl. Wait.
He said, the last guy with husband, say he go back to sleep, he go back, go dey look for the girl.
Now one person now see one thing we talk about this, say if you dey dream, say two things where you dey dream. If you dey dream about Chichoyo for and then if you dey dream about say if you dey sleep, you can't dey dream say you be millionaire, you get money, you dey drive one better car. If you wake up, you will sit there on top of your bed. You know see car, you know see how you dey vex.
Yeah.
But if you dream say you dey peace, you wake up, you don't be
Yeah,
your
but
money.
that's true.
Chichoyo, you go this you
Everywhere
don't.
wet.
Yeah.
So why you be saying that those one? Why you be saying if you dey dream better
The money
thing?
not they follow.
That's what the matter be.
So they not get anyone even for dream. For your imagination, fantasy you call. I mean, like you know, some people get different white fantasy though. Some people fantasy now is different. You see, all of us waiting at a Mali top. You're like maybe uncompleted building.
Uncompleted building. Wetin happen?
You get one
No,
where
abeg.
you get one where never inside car. You don't do the car. You don't do.
Car, very nice. I don't do.
No,
I
but
don't.
one of my
I don't
fantasy
try
be
car.
that though. But certain
You never do car.
No, I never do.
That be car.
Because when I just start to dey really drive, now from man if Bado then Lagos. So
I mean that car.
I just settled down that time.
Car, if not the nice, if not
Wait, so
the
why
right
driving
person.
or why park?
No, now like when I start to dey drive car now.
No, the
now.
car where they talk. Say now why driving?
No, the car go dey
Why
park too. The car go dey park too. If na dey drive, na all for there go heaven.
From wetin we dey watch Oyibo film. They
No,
dey
that one
drive.
na licky.
When they no, this one like
licky.
parked, especially
Na
maybe.
park.
But-
From boot or back.
But no,
Una
but-
fit just park.
No, this one no be likiliki o. Na real, but they get accident and they die.
Yeah, I can't try that one. Movement again. No. But inside car
Now one
too
of my
nice.
fantasy be that, but the problem now be say certainly. I don't know if I fit say achieve am with the position where I did right now. Even though I want to achieve am, certainly not be
No,
Mommy
if you
Gio.
say a piece of achievement with
Not
Mommy
be
Gio.
Mommy Gio. I know Mommy Gio.
Man,
not
tell you
fit
the
suffer
easiest
that.
way.
Na Sachi go
So
suffer
when I get parking space for your compound.
one. So
Another kind 2 a.m. everybody dey sleep.
this one.
When I go downstairs for car park.
Now when we wan break
He say,
You go hear me
"Daddy,
come,
you don't
Mommy
prepare
Gio."
to Come.
I want to show you
I want to
something.
enter the car.
I don't talk am. Even though say that part is what happen. Setting number one. Now side chick go suffer am. Side chick. Now you go hear me. Wait, you don't share your
I
own.
don't remember. Let us go.
Lady J no share. Lady J no share. We call the same make her share.